How many times has he pulled drag already?
He hasn't pulled drag, he's just pulling it.
My experience is great. Never felt adrenaline like this before. I recommend this to anybody.
Definitely.
Especially hearing that clicker running. I mean, how does that make you feel?
Honestly, you just run right for it and then instantly you're just going. I would have swum with the sharks tonight if I was out there, so.
Serious? Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's a. Oh yeah. And we got Rich Senior over here with a fish too. The night of the Tigers.
If there was always one animal or fish I would want to be, it'd be a shark. Things are just animals. And then today I really got to experience how strong and like almost how like a brilliant of an animal it is for a fish.
He's a feisty bastard.
Yeah.
Whoa, look at that thing.
Woo! I see mono.
Dad, you see the spots on it?
Wow, she laughed.
Highly recommend it. I just got done reeling mine in. Mine was the biggest one of the night. I think it went at around 800 or 900 pounds.
Jeez, dude.
About an hour and a half it took me to get in. I'm 83 years old. I look good for my age.
How's your experience been over here, Chris?
Very good and tired right now.
Yeah, you're looking all worked out there. Is this like Planet Fitness 2.0?
Yeah, I guess so, but when you're tired and you're fishing, that's a good thing.
I love it. All right, we're at the motto. There's the bead. That's it. The last bait's been brought in, guys.
Well, good thing, because I think you're going to get hypothermia.
I might get hypothermia, thank you, yes. Well,
Well, thank you very much.
guys,
Good stuff.
You had fun.
it's not goodbye, just I'll see you next time.
Exactly.
Right? And they barely move with all that speed. You don't even see them moving their fins.
Yeah,
Isn't
and
that
I
crazy?
literally had to get on top of it and hold it down.
Yeah, literally. He molested it a little bit. Oh, yeah, but actually, so that wasn't a fish. That was actually a trunk that was sunk down there for structure. But thanks for bringing that
Like
up.
that was a decoy. He's like, everyone come on out.
All right.
These are
This
all
is
paid actors.
Welcome to Jackass 2.0. My name's Steve-O, and I'm ready to rock.
Honestly, Kevin, this is a hell of it. I've never done this before. I've done a lot of fishing. This is really cool. I honestly highly recommend Kevin. He's very friendly, easy to get along with. It was like we've known each other forever. It's an awesome experience. Really
So
is.
you're part of the family now.
Really is.
Yes.
Great. I would do it again in a heartbeat.